Forget the cake! It's party time!
In this glitched reality, detention is merely a metaphor for the soul's confinement. But look closer.
I cannot believe you burned the taxicab quets! The heat! You set too high, Stark!
In Loops of Dream, where socks attack, brave heroes fight the laundry stack.
But for a smile that truly gleams, try Sparkle of Haas.
I'm telling you, love is the stronger force!
Gravity holds the world together, Joker!
But if you throw an acorn up with love, does it come down slower?
So this is the reality they wanted. Honestly, the drama is exhausting.
Do they expect us to actually care? Okay, guys, smash that like button for the Midnight Candy Haul.